why I did that. Because I want to look underneath of it. Ramps! Oh, put the brake on. Emergency brake. I'm going to try this. Where is it? This mower deck attachment. This mower washing deck attachment that came with it. I used it once, but I never showed you. And I lifted it up so you can see under the deck, and then I'm going to put it back down. Go under there with this camera. Let's see what it looks like. Going under. You see? Oh, yeah, it's pretty dirty. Yeah, you see? All right. Hope you can see that all right. This attachment, well, I'm gonna take it off the ramps, but it just clips on like this. See this right here? Just like that. Clips on like that. And I could leave it there, but I'm afraid it might pop off. So I leave it off. I leave it in my toolbox. We're going to attach it to this end of the hose. Let me drive down off the ramps first, alright? Bet you didn't think you'd see me driving on a ramp this small, huh? Help me, help me! This deck the closest to the ground as I can. I'm doing it on blacktop so we can see the results, if any. If I do it on the grass, I won't see if I got a lot of grass out of it, you know. So that's all the way down. Take your regular garden hose. Screws in there just like a regular hose. Then we pop this under here, like I showed you. Pop. Then somebody has to turn the hose on. Okay. Do your duty. You can tell when the hose is on. Oh, watch, it comes alive. Oh, it's on. It's on. All right. I'm going to start it up and turn the blades on for about a minute or two. Let's see what happens here. Start it up. on something. I see green water going down the driveway there. Got a green tint to it. Let's turn off the hose. All right. Turn up the hose, remove my handy attachment. I left. Should I go back up on the ramp? I have to, right? Back up on the ramp! The funnest part of the day. Hope I don't flip it. It feels cleaner. It just feels cleaner. Wait, I want to back up. First I'm going to back up, see if there's anything under there. Then I'm going to drive forward onto the ramp. Gramps. Well, I didn't claim that it would clean it spotlessly. I didn't know. Let's see. We're gonna look. I think I can see it better from the front. Well, I'll show you right where I showed you from before. I'll use this camera. You're gonna get wet. Got a little light here. Let's see. What can you see up there? Oh, it's clean grass. It's shiny, clean green grass. Let's see. Oh, not bad. Look, a little bit there. Maybe there's not that much up there anyway, see? I don't know if you can see that. That don't look bad. What do you think? It looks like spinach. It smells like spinach. Let's look in the front. That's not bad. Oh! Oh, there's some up there, look. Hey. Yeah. I should get a... I should get like a putty knife and scrape it out or something, huh? Anyway, I wanted to try that attachment and show it to you. Like I said, I did it a few years ago when it was newer. It didn't seem to make a difference because it was pretty clean. But after so many years, you know you got to get up there and scrape it with a putty knife or something like that. But, whoa, thanks for watching. Okay. Down to mow. Up like in the 60s. None of this lowrider stuff. You like it like that? I like it like that. I'll see you. Bye. Don't forget how to work it.